Do y'all remember, I don't know, a week or so ago whenever, I don't even remember which video it was, but at the end of the video I came home and there was a bird like hovering around over my door or whatever. Now we know why, because the bird had made a nest up there and she's now got some eggs. So have a look. I noticed what looked like a bird egg had fallen and cracked on our porch. Like, yeah, that's what that is. What? I'm just doing a quick little video of it. And it had fallen there, so I was like, well, it must have fallen from up here. They've made a nest right there. That bird that I saw that one night, apparently it's made a nest. I'm gonna look and see if I can see this. If there's anything in the bird's nest. While looking at the nest, I noticed there are a couple of wasps, well, about 3 wasps, building their own nests. There's one there, and 2 there. That's as far as we can zoom. There's 2 there building, and that one there building, and the nest is just right there. So I have brought them a treat. So I'm probably going to be running. Oh God, one of them's gone. That's not good. If you can't see it, where is it, right? Well, if that one flew away, that's good, because then I can focus on these 2 and hit them pretty good. I might be running. Here we go. Yes! Oh, it got on my shirt and my head, but that wasp is gone. I'm gonna go outside and see if the bird's nest still has an egg in it. I have to use a tripod to hold up here because I'm not tall enough to see. Whoa, the bird's actually there. I'm not gonna mess with you, bird. You're sitting on your egg, dude. I get it. I ain't gonna mess with you, man. You're cool. That bird's looking right at me. I was about to extend this tripod with the camera up there. Had I not seen the bird in time, it would have freaked out and flew away. You're cool, bird. You do what you gotta do. There's still one egg up there, the last I saw anyway. Well, that's good to know. I was worried Mama abandoned. You're good. Last night is the first night I saw the bird in the nest. Let's see if the bird is there still. Yep. Oh, she flew away. Dude, you didn't have to fly away. Uh-oh. I didn't think I would spook it. I didn't spook it last night. Let me see if that egg is still going to be there. Alright, I've got the tripod attached. Whoa. Dude, there's more. There's like 4 now. One of them looks speckled.